Hello guys, how we doing? Yes, thanks for coming back, guys, subscribers, returning viewers, appreciate it. Just a little short video and a little update, quick update on my the spring onions. All right, so just want to show you guys how they're getting along. All right. Yep. So as we can see, still little small plants, guys, but I believe they'll make it. Once again, the germination or the survival rate of the transplants have done really well. Yeah, little plants still. As you can see, these guys are kicking up. Yeah, pretty good. So most of these, spring onions and even my garlic, as you know, will be ready next year, next spring. The garlic will be a little bit further on into the summer. Yeah, these are my large leaf spinach. Call them the chard. Yeah, man, beautiful. I use these with my saltfish, So when I don't have callaloo, I will mix the callaloo. I will mix the large leaf spinach with the saltfish and it will act like a callaloo, like the greens that goes in there. But yeah, spring onions are doing really well. I've still got the end of the bed. Like I said, in the winters, I'm not very good at, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna take the claim of being a good gardener in the winter. I personally don't like the cold, but in general, yeah, everything, is looking okay at the allotment. That's what the allotment is looking at the moment. Yeah, I tend to leave my corn sticks and stuff, in the ground. I just find that it just holds the ground more stable. If I'm wrong or if there's anything to that, let me know, guys. But yeah, I just leave it until next year. I pull them out and then, yeah, the roots stay in, the sticks come out. Garlic looking good. Yeah, garlic is looking really, really good. Yesterday I did pick these guys here. Still left some on the floor by the looks of it. Now, these are some fennel plants, right? So these guys kind of grew up, like went into flower. I thought they were dead. I kind of twisted, the top part of it broke off, came out of the ground, and they started growing back again. So I don't know if I'll actually get fennel bulbs off of them this year, or if I'll just get, just the actual, the leaves of them. Not quite sure. But yeah, everything is winding down at the allotment now, guys. When, in the spring, it kind of comes back to life, stations, ready stations, everybody's on it, But now this time of year, everything is wound down. Yeah, these cabbages, I didn't get to them, so I think the slugs are having a field day with them. And what can we do? My causes stop flowering. My narrow kills, yeah, they're still holding up. Could do with a bit of a tidy up around them, to be honest. I've left this tree here for seeds. It's actually a radish, a French radish. Yeah. This is a broccoli plant that I've just been taking side shoots off. As you can see, there's a whole heap of side shoots. So I think maybe before I leave today, I'll be taking some out. Yeah, I'm doing well. I think it's doing really well in general, considering you get the one head and then you can come back and get multiple heads after that if you're quick enough or if you time them well enough. The only thing I was slightly disappointed about with this year was my turnips. I just didn't really see any turnips in it this year, Well, even though now, if I look closely, starting to see some bulbs, but I didn't really get to pick any turnips, really. So maybe I should come and, or maybe even pull some of these out today and see if I can salvage at least, 5 or 6 of them out of there. Alright, guys, so on that one, I'm gonna say, live well, guys. Together we grow. keep on gardening. Bless.